Hey everybody, today we have a 2000 model Tahoe, and we are going to attempt to change the door locks. As you can see, one open right here. Had to go on the inside, open it from the inside. So what we're going to do is, some of the panels ready off. We're going to take it off here, and just a couple more bolts up on these, and pull this panel off, and hopefully we'll get it done. So here we are. I finally got the lock off, and it's a little bit of work. I got it off, and there's the locks right here. It's the old one, replacement. I'm gonna attempt to move the lock from here and install it over here. All right, folks, there we have it. We got the door panel back on, and got the door working good. Got it installed in the front. It's open and it's closed. All right, thanks for watching this video. Till next time, bye.